If you are also drawn toward this trend and wondering how these viral photos are made, then let me show you in just few minutes how you can create the same. For that, first of all, you need to open your browser, and then here I'm gonna type gemini.google.com. And I'm hoping that you already signed up for this. If not, then let me quickly show you in incognito how easy it is to create account. So here you can see when you are opening this site for the first time, it looks like this. All you need to do is you need to click on sign in and then use your Google account to go inside. After you sign in, the page will look like this. And then what you need to do here is you need to select this option. Okay, so let's click here. And then you can also see what exactly this prompt is. And if needed, you can always edit this prompt and can do some customization. Okay, so now it is asking me to upload an image that needed to be used as reference. So here what you need to do is you need to add a picture. Now here you can add your picture or whichever picture you would like to use. Now here we need to add the picture that you want to use. And let me take here one example picture from internet, and here I'm gonna choose the Creative Commons license one just to avoid any licensing. And what picture should I use? I'm just looking at maybe this one. And now let me download this, and now I'm going to click here on add file and upload. Now let's choose the picture and then click on submit. Now let's wait for a while. And there we go. Here you can see the kind of image that we want is created. So in this way, guys, you can also be part of this trend. And of course, you can do customization. For example, you want to, change the view. So here you can simply write change the desk and lighting. And in this way, you can further customize it. And here is the result. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to AI and productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.